do this. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Andy is just gonna code some stuff and lets you watch him because he wants to. I don't know, something like that. I am going to code a quick little checker script for the game of death today. So remember, we're playing the game of death. If you're not signed up for that, you can still sign up. Still a few days to go, almost a week. And the second challenge, or the first real challenge, is to bring your hacker, after you minted them, to a safe house, which means the owner of the token account of your hacker, so of the NFT, needs to start with SH, capital SH. And I want to just write a simple script because at some point I need to check that. So we're going to write that script together and then develop a tool for our Discord bot such that you can automatically check if you're safe or not. That's the goal for today. I don't know if we're going to do that. I don't know if we will succeed. I'm already pretty tired. And I'll just start and see where we go. And maybe we do something completely different on the way. Who knows? Who knows? You can always put your questions into the comments. And so that's called the chat, right? That's called the chat if we're live streaming. Right, you can put your questions into the chat and then we'll see if and where we go. If we go. I think I'm gonna go put that away. Freedom for my ears. More distractions from the sounds. And I'm gonna make myself smaller. And then we're gonna look here. So basically all I did so far is install the Solana Web 3 library such that we can use that. And we would just want to basically write ourselves a quick little function check challenge 2, and what you get is, say, the NFT mint, and this will be probably a public key from Solana Web 3. So we import that. Cool. We provide the public key of the hacker we want to check. So that's the NFT we want to check. And we're gonna, I want to minimize that so I see the chat. And we now implement the stuff that does the magic to check if that hacker is actually safe. Now, first thing we'll need is probably a connection. Let's make ourselves a new connection from, and I never know these things, so I'm quickly gonna look up Solana clusters. Doobie-doobie-doop. And actually might show you what I do. And oh no, that's the wrong side. RPC endpoints, that's what I need, because I never know that by heart. I'm just gonna copy in the public one. That should be enough. I rate limit my Discord bot, so it's okay if that thing is also rate limited, I guess. And then on the connection, so let's first think of what do we need to do. Well, we have the mint. What we now need to find out is the holder, and since we know it's an NFT, there is only one holder, and that holder, we then need to find out the owner. And pretty much, I'm pretty sure I've done exactly that before. And I mean, the way to go here is token accounts by owner is something. token largest accounts, I think that is the one that we would need for a mint. So for the NFT mint, I'm just gonna try and do it all again. So just to repeat, but I have done all of this before, and I know even where I would find it. It's somewhere in my GitHub. And here we get back a response with the token account balance pair. So if we await that, TA pairs, and then the TA pairs. Oh, wait, what do we get back? What's that type of this? You're still a response. So can I here then say just value? No, just then I await this and then I say dot value. Then I have the token account balance pairs. That's what I need. And from those, I guess we find the one which has one as balance. So let's see, hold on, what do they have? They have amount. So where the amount is 1. And I've done all of this before. I'm too lazy. I'm gonna look it up, because somewhere on my GitHub I've already done this, and that was when I did the airdrop script, I think. I did this before when we were preparing the airdrop. We had a function where we check get owner for NFT. So we had the token mint, and then we did essentially that, largest accounts, and we did filter where we had some amount. Okay, that's how we filtered them. Okay. That's how we got our only holder. And then, yep. I guess I'm just gonna copy that. So we have, I don't need this, don't need to be too specific here. So that's our TA pairs. We filter that for a token holder. You can import that if you want. And if it has an amount, then it's stays in the holder. We don't even need that assert. We'll just assume. And then the only holder, the first one, we assume that it's 1. I should do some error handling though, if people can put in anything here. But yes. The address is the NFT token account. So that's the token account. Just call it TA. And then we can get on our connection the account info for that. And find the owner. It doesn't like slice. There was a different method. This is deprecated. To copy the slice. Man, what was the method to do that properly? It. Or just, I don't know, or we just leave the deprecated stuff. Why not? And then for fun, nope. Let's log the owner. And then we quickly test that for our NFT. My mint is new public key. And here, let's see if I find it. No, what's my password? Yeah, that's my password. Here we just have the one hacker. Can I see this? Def. I named it Def, my hacker. Def check. It's a developer JPEG or something. So this is my mint address. And let's see if my function actually works by awaiting, how do they call it? Check challenge 2 with my mint. Let's see, where am I? No, I just do ts node source game of def and then checker. Great. Unknown file extension ts. Well, you don't like no TypeScript, huh? Great, we're at those kind of errors. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Unknown file extension. Probably the settings of that project don't allow me to do that. You know what? I'm just gonna, borrow that and make a new project or something. I'll open it in a different project. Hold on. Where am I going? Anywhere but here. New folder, temp project, and gonna open this thing real quick in VS Code, and I'm gonna copy that thing over because I can, but then I need to install stuff here again, right? Yes. Top level await. Oh, I cannot await this stuff. And then there we go. Seems to work. I get the shot, so the safe house UT that I sent my hacker in. That's the owner. There, shut. My safe house. Cool. So that seems to work. Now back to here or here. If we don't do that, I mean, that doesn't work with the await anyway. Oh, come on. So this function we can now build into our bot, I hope. And the way my bot is set up, I just took the template from Kevin Novak, who did a nice Discord bot template, which basically allows me to use JavaScript. I built a bot in Python once, but then I want to use the slash commands and stuff now, so I switched to TypeScript so I can write my own TypeScript scripts and directly start them from the bot. That's more convenient to me, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm just gonna make a new command, a slash command, and basically allow that thing. And you know what? I'm gonna do the mint as a string, and then I'll be like, make a new public key from that string and use that, because I want all the Solana stuff just to live in here. And I return a promise for a Boolean, and then I return this, oops, starts with sh. That's basically the entire check of challenge 2. If the base 58 address of the owner of this token account starts with sh. And that's gonna be the check. And now we just need to use that. So let's make ourselves a new command. There are many commands already. We need one of those chat commands. I'm just gonna copy my join command, and it's gonna be the check command, and it's gonna be called check, and I'll have the same rate limiter. And if I execute it, then no, I don't give you a new role. Oh, now I need to find out how data works. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, let's check out the help command, because with a help command, it takes arguments. Does it read that from the data? This is how I program. Now you will see me live programming. It is 90% just me looking at the screen and looking at code and being like, what the hell is happening here? Which is not very pleasant to watch. That's why I have an editor who cuts those things out. But, you know, I can't make a video about everything, so sometimes I just live stream. And as long as nobody has any questions or anything else, I'll just keep looking at my screen and trying to understand what's happening here. So essentially the help command, I've got it disabled, but let's maybe check it out. Let's go here. So I'll show you this. This is my Discord, and my Discord bot, Solandy verification, has the help command, which takes an option. And the option is a drop down from commands, permissions, FAQ. I can go commands, enter, and then the so-called slash command will show me this. It has a test and an info. That's just the default that that bot had, but I didn't change that. Those commands are not enabled for you anyway. Only I as an admin can use them. So yeah, essentially what I want is the option. I want to know where it comes from, and I want to find out how I can put a string there. I could also just Google how to do a string as help option. Aha, okay, so the argument, wait, this is so complicated. What is it taken here as this thing it takes as help option. So it's inter, so that's a chat input command interaction dot options dot get string. Okay, but it's not an option. Let's see what this thing has. Does it show me inter? Does have options, but what's the, if I just want a like an additional, is that also called option then? Options. Get boolean, get, maybe just get string gets me the next option as a string. That should work. Let's do some debugging with that in our check command. So let's just return what will later be the mint. So from the option I get a string required true. Oh, aha, and each, so that seems to be key value pairs here. Okay, so how about mint required true, something like that, and then checking for mint and mint. Let's just see if we can get that to run somehow. So the check command, we will need to add them to here, I guess. I should also rename it to a check command. And then in the start bot, where do I create them? Here. Here I just also add a new check command. Good. Let's see. npm, I already forgot how to start this, but I can look that up here. There. Commands register. This registers the bot commands, so the slash commands with my Discord bot. Let's see if that goes through. And if he sees the check command. Nope, it did not see my check command. It was just updating help and join. Damn it. I was somewhere else as well. But where? So here it goes through them. Sorting them somehow. And where do they come from? There, chat commands, metadata. Where do those come from? Aha, and here I need to add it. Okay. Then let's add the check name check. It's a chat input and the description is checks if your hacker is safe in the current round. And then I can, like with the help have some options. Yes, that's what I need. I will have an option. Damn it, what are those pairs? Required true. What goes here? What does this need to be? And undefined to possibly undefined properties of interface. Great name. Tells me everything I need to know. Seriously, no. What do I put here? Do you have options? I mean, those are different options, and that's an enum, I guess. Or what the hell is that? Apply command basic option. Oh wow, is that complicated? And here you have the choices. I just want this normal string. So I just want this, but not so complicated. Wait, that's wrong. Here. Not so complicated. Also make my screen a bit bigger. So name, I don't need no language. I call it mint. And description, the token mint of the hacker NFT. No localization. Type application command option type string. Can you import that? Yes. And then I don't need no choices. You can make them up as you wish. And that should be the object going in here. And it's required, and that's it. But something is still red. Why is this all red? Declaration or statement. Something I messed up with. Oh, maybe. Aha, because the ... opens it up. That's what that does. And then required true. Haha, that's how this works. Okay, I get it. I get it. Nice. Do you think that will work now? If I now update my commands? Let's see. Stretching my shoulders back because they hurt otherwise. There we go. Creating the command check. Check that out. I have a new command check, and I still have the help and join. Right. That looks good. And then I just need to npm start to actually run the bot, because otherwise it tells me it can't find the application. Also, I'm still also running it on my Raspberry Pi, so I have the bot running twice now, but only one instance can handle the check command. Anyway, let's see if it connects. There we go. Client is ready. Let's check the Discord and check if we have the check command already here. Yes, check in Solandy verification, and it takes a mint. Haha. And the mint is I don't know, my mint, because any string is allowed. And checking for mint my mint. Perfect. I can get the string in and I can get the string out. Amazing. This is easier than I thought. And so now I essentially just need to call the right script from my check command and do some error handling maybe. Where do I find it? What did I call it? Check challenge 2. Oh, it's an async function. Well, it should be fine though. I do this with the mint and I const is safe, await this, and this I need to import from here such that it, why did it import it now? Did it import it? No, you created a new function, you idiot. No. Import that, please. Do I have a quick fix import? No, I don't. Okay. Import this from // game of dev checker. Oh, because I didn't export it. That's why. To import, I need to export. And then I should be able to import it here. Okay, cool, sweet. Yes. And then I do the following. Maybe some try catching first. Let output be I don't know. Try this. Catch. How do you catch something in TypeScript like this, right? And then I just say, because we don't want to give any hacker any info on what's happening here really. And I just say an error occurred. And otherwise, if it's safe, my output will be your hacker is safe. And otherwise, A. Your hacker is not safe. Pronunciation on the safe and on the not. Oh, I just can't spell output. And then we just put output here. Let's see if that works. Run the script again. And then we check for, wait, where did we have it? Here. For this address. We go to our Discord, say /check and provide the mint, enter. And it says the application did not respond. Maybe it was not ready yet. Try that again. Your hacker is safe. Nice. I like that. And if I had a different address, then it says an error occurred because probably it's not that right. Oh yeah, I'm trying to trying to access an account that doesn't exist and stuff. Make sure to provide a valid mint address. Ah, cool. Yeah, and now we just need to configure my Discord such that you can also use that. And I am going to doop create a new channel here for you. Actually, I'm gonna copy this one. Checker. And then check this out. So I can go here, manage this integration, and essentially the check I allow it in this channel. So in this channel, you should now be able to use the check as well from this spot. Now, obviously, if I kill this, oops, not this, I can also kill this, but this thing, if this bot is not running, I changed the help command. What did I do here? Okay, nothing. Maybe not lock this. If I don't have that running anymore, then obviously you will not be able to check. I'll just do it. Because the application won't be responding. So I need to first update my Raspberry Pi to also allow for that command. So what we need to do is simply add this to Git, just making sure that I don't accidentally commit any important files. Okay, good, because I don't want to give you my bot token. Git add all those files, and we say that check command to bot allows users to check if their hacker is safe for challenge 2. Challenge 2. Commit, git push, and then on the other side, cool, that worked. On my Raspberry Pi, I need to do the opposite. Let's quickly also do that. So SSH connecting to my Pi at 13.37 because that's a nice IP address. That's my password. And then I just say screen-r to connect to my session. Oh, and here it tells me error, command check not found, because it doesn't have the implementation for it. Yep, it tried to do the check. It tried to execute it, but it didn't have it. So let's give it to you. Git pull. I hope that's set up. Yes, no, not good. I have local changes on package log. Okay, git stash those. Don't need them. and then git pull. There we go. And then we run that again, npm start. And now we can go to a Discord again. And even though I don't have it running locally, the checker should now run on my Raspberry Pi. Let's see. Nope, still not accessible. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, of course I didn't. I need to npm I here as well, because I don't have all the Solana packages installed. And on the Raspberry, that could take a bit longer. But it's not that many packages. It's like 42 packages or something, so it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, and that's an evening of hacking with me. That's how it goes. Writing some little script to check if a hacker is safe, adding it to the Discord bot, and hosting the Discord bot on my Raspberry Pi such that you can also use that command now to check whether or not your hacker is safe. I can give you a little spoilery thingy. The next challenge will be similar to the previous one, but next time you'll have to set the token account to a specific address. So the token account will need to start with something. And that's just for you to understand the concept of token accounts and work a little bit with the SPL token program. Because so far you could just send it to a wallet, but now you also need to understand how to create your own token accounts. So we get into the scripting a little bit, and you'll have another week or maybe even 2 to complete that, but the official release of that challenge will be probably on Sunday when the other challenge ends. There we go, 105 packages installed. And now if I start it, hopefully it does run. Doopy doop doop. My bot, I should call it differently. It's not my bot. Well, it is my bot, but you know, that's not the name I gave it. And does it run? Yes, it does run. Now, if I go here and I do the check again, now, yes, my Raspberry Pi tells me my hacker is safe. And if I were to send it somewhere else, should I do that? I don't have the capital to do that. Do I have another hacker? No, but I could just check for any other NFT that is in another wallet. I could also, you know, have more of a speaking output there as well. Maybe I do that. But if that was my hacker, which it is not, I also don't check if you put in actual hacker addresses here or just any NFT. But if it is a hacker, then it's safe. So if I were to now /check this one, nope. You need to actually check and then press enter to tell which application you want to use. Solandy verification is thinking. Your hacker is not safe. But yeah, here it managed to query all of the details, but this hacker is not safe. The other one is. Great. I built another nice little tool that you can use now. So have fun with that. This is going to be more helpful in future challenges, I hope, because I'll always have my checker script on the bot if I'm not too lazy to update that. And then you can always do the checking and yeah, I guess that makes the game of death a little more interesting or nicer to you, especially when the challenges are getting hard and you're not actually sure, did I manage? Now I have a script that tells you if you managed or not. Just use a /check command. And I think with that, I will end it for today because I don't know what else to do. I did the things that I wanted to, and I'm happy with that. Are there any questions? Oh, hey, there are people in the chat. Cloudberry is here. And Muratan. I'm so good with names. Anyway, hello guys, and bye-bye guys. I am going to go to sleep now. Oh, it's perfectly 10. 10 in the evening is a good time to stop. And tomorrow I will record another video for my Solana Dev Course series. James is putting out more content and I want to learn with that. And I learn and make videos for you so you can also learn. Cool. Yeah, good night. It was nice hacking with you. Keeps me motivated to keep going and not rage quit if something doesn't work or so. And yeah, look, you're online and you're here. Cloudberry, you're here. You're a real helper. Anyway, I see you in the next stream. Till then, bye-bye.